Hello，大家好，我叫 Larry 嘅。咁好多朋友啦，其實佢哋都對吉他有興趣啦，或者係想學吉他嘅。咁其實就吉他呢樣嘢咧，就係一樣非常有趣嘅一個工具嚟嘅。咁佢可以令你好順滑咁同你嘅伴侶溝通啦，令一個好好嘅同小朋友一個玩樂同溝通嘅一個工具啦，甚至可以同朋友聚會啊一齊玩嘅一個好好嘅一個工具嚟嘅。但係有部分朋友啦，佢哋就會見到吉他就會卻步嘅，因為練吉他嘅開始嘅過程嘅時候咧，咁撳啲和弦啦，咁咧嘅手指會痛咁。但係我哋俾一個階梯大家啦，咁大家可以先學習咗小吉他先。咁因為 ukulele 嘅嗰把吉他就會比較細啦，咁同埋嘅佢撳嘅和弦咧，其實就小朋友都能夠完成到嘅。例如呢首就係 You Are My Sunshine， 咁早幾日啦我都彈俾我太太聽嘅，咁我彈俾大家聽下咯喎。You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when sun away. You never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. 咁入門咧都好簡單嘅，咁你可以 transfer 去另一首歌嘅。例如呢首Jingle Jingle Little Star 咧，其實都係相同彈法嘅。Jingle Jingle Little Star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high。係啦，同一個指法咧，我哋可以彈另外一首歌嘅。好簡單嘅我哋生日會教氣氛嘅 Happy Birthday 啦，或者係有隻雀仔跌落水啊，或者係我哋嘅打開蚊帳嗰啲兒歌都可以教嘅。啲流行歌啊，甚至一啲以前舊嘅英文歌，我哋都可以教。呢首歌好好玩嘅一首歌 ，Old MacDonald Had a Farm。One, two, three, Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a cow.呢首歌咧其實好長嘅，甚至如果你唱得高興嘅，亦都好多謝啦大家收睇我嘅視頻嘅。咁樣如果大家有興趣嘅，咁樣可以嚟我哋嘅吉他班報名啦。咁多謝大家收睇，好，拜拜。